Yes, good morning, students. Today we will start exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1 is related to the rate of change of quantity. Okay, with respect to the rate of change of a quantity may be it may be area, it may be volume. I said I clearly explained yesterday. It may be total cost, it may be total revenue, okay, it may be area, may be surface area, right? Okay, different concepts are there. So let us see here. I'll explain very easy way, okay, most easiest way. First, whatever the question is given, first write down the important point, okay, related that important point we can write. How to write the important point? For example, let us take S is the distance. Okay, S will represent the distance, the rate of change of this distance with respect to time. Okay, the rate of change of distance with respect to time can be denoted by ds by dt. Okay, yes, t is a time, maybe t may be second, t may be minute, t may be hour. Okay, the rate of change of distance with respect to the time can be written as dx by dt. Okay, and look at it. The rate of change of, for example, I am taking a circle. So with respect to the time, that radius will be changing. For example, radius will be first 3 centimeters. After 5 seconds, it will become some 5 centimeters. After some 10 seconds, it will become some 10 centimeters like that. Okay, so yes, radius is changing with respect to the time. How to write that? The rate of change of radius with respect to the time can be written as dr by dt. Okay, for example, I am taking area of circle. Already you know that the area of circle is A is equal to pi r square.
I'm waiting.
Okay. So the starting concept is very important. You can concentrate. Now I am explaining the concept. Based on this concept, we'll do all the problems, right? Okay, I'm taking A. A is the area of circle. Already we know that is pi r square. So when radius will be changing, area also will be changing. So how to find the rate of change of area with respect to radius? There are two ways, two types are there. Okay, when the radius is changing, we need to find the rate of change of area. So with respect to radius, the area will be changing. So that now differentiate with respect to r. Okay, here radius is changing, so that its area also will become changed. Area of r is pi r square. The rate of change of area with respect to can be written as dA by dr. This is equal to, with respect to r square. Nothing but with respect to x square is 2x. So with respect to r square is 2r. Nothing but we get 2 pi r. So this will represent the rate of change of area with respect to r is 2 pi r. This is area formula. The rate of change of area with respect to radius is 2 pi r. Okay, this is one way. Another way, how they will ask. The rate of change of radius is changing. How it will be changed? The rate of change of radius is changing is 3 centimeters per second. Look at here. I written centimeter per second means it may be the change of the length. Okay, centimeter by second. For example, here just I written r is equal to some 5 centimeters. I generally will write the radius is 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Distance also s may be 2 centimeters, 3 centimeter like that. We cannot write by second. If I write by second, nothing but here this will represent the rate of change of radius per second is 3 centimeters. Okay, like that. How to write here? dr by dt. With respect to time, the radius is changing. In each second, the radius will be changing 3 centimeters. Okay. So, like that. In question, they will give like that. The rate of change of radius is 5 centimeters per second. Okay. This is rate of change of radius. Whenever give by second, by minute, by hour, nothing but that is rate measure. The rate of change of radius. Then find the how they ask the rate of change of radius. Radius means this is clearly dr by dt. 5 centimeter per second. They don't give dr by dt. We have to write. Okay, 5 centimeter by second is 5 centimeter is radius with respect to time. Then what is the rate of change of area? What is the rate of change of area? Rate of change of area per second. Per second, rate of change of area per second means we have to differentiate with respect to c only. For example, A is equal to already we know that the area of circle is pi r square. With respect to time, how fast the area will be changed? How fast? Fast in the sense it is again based on time. So differentiate with respect to time. So A becomes dA by dt is equal to pi r square with respect to t. Observe here r square becomes 2r. Again with respect to t, r is independent variable, so that dr by dt. Okay. With respect to same variable, with respect to r square only 2r. Okay. Then but here r square is 2r with respect to t, dr by dt. And see what is the dr by dt? We need to find the rate of change of area with respect to time. So dA by dt is equal to pi into, that is 2 pi into radius. In this question, this type of question, they will give the radius, whose radius is r is equal to 10 centimeter. They give it just centimeter, not by second. So in that case, 10 into dr by dt. What is the rate of change? 5 centimeter. Here, what I am saying is there are two ways of the question.
So, can we do this question like we do with parameters, no, sir? dA by dt by dr by dt will become dA by dr, no, sir?
dA by dt
By dr by dt is equal to dA by dr, no, sir?
Absolutely, absolutely. So dA by dt, if I take left side, dr by dt, finally it will become c. Even if you write dA by dt also, you can write as dA by dt into dr by dr into dr by dt. But we can apply the chain rule. Here also we are applying chain rule. This is called chain rule. Okay, chain rule means here differentiating with respect to t means first it is in the form of x square. X square we differentiated like nothing but we got 2x, r square is 2r. Again with respect to t, r derivative is dr by dt. Okay, actually indirectly this is the value of dA by dr. Take dr by dt left side, dA by dt by dr by dt. Dt cancel, dA by dt. Anyway, your changing will be happening radius and area only. Finally, with respect to radius only, the area will become changing. Okay. So according to the question, we can write the equation. Because here also we can write with respect to r, with respect to dA by dr is equal to r square is 2r into dr by dr. Dr gets cancelled. So that simply we write 2 pi. Okay. Here mainly you have to remember some formula. Area of circle is pi r square. Already you know that perimeter is 2 pi r, and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is volume of sphere. Okay, volume of this sphere, and area of square is x square, volume of square is x cube, surface area of cube is cube. This is volume of cube, and surface area
6a
of
square.
cube is 6x square or 6a square. Okay, like that, these formulas you have to remember. Okay, this already you know that. So volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So area of sphere, most of the question based on circle, sphere, and cube. Some cases cuboid. Already we know that area of rectangle whose length is like L plus B. But in this question, how they will take x plus y. X is length and y is width. Okay, area of this is a rectangle and sorry, perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. Then area becomes x into y. Okay, area. This is sphere.
Sir, someone is
Yes.
waiting in the meeting room.
No one is there. I accepted already.
Sir, no, sir. Abhijit told he's waiting.
Just now. Yeah. Okay. One second. So here, remember that the rate of change of, in case in given question, if they give centimeter, 5 centimeter per second means it is related to radius or it is related to length. Okay, it may be related to distance. And the centimeter square by second means this will represent the rate of change of area. Already you know everything, but remember that centimeter by second means the rate of change of length. Maybe it may be distance, it may be radius. Okay, the rate of change of area is centimeter square by second, centimeter square by minute, like that. So centimeter cube by second means it will be represent the rate of change of volume. Okay, in question they will give that the rate of change of volume of cube like 5 centimeter cube by second. Sometimes they may be asked question, find the rate of change of volume of a sphere. Nothing but dV by dt. We need to find. Okay. Based on the question, all questions are very easy only. You can easily get the answer. First question, look at here. So generally remember that dy by dx means the rate of change of quantity y with respect to the another quantity x. Okay, here x may be seconds with respect to time, with respect to radius. Okay, generally here we written that dA by dt means with respect to time the area is changing, and dA by dr with respect to radius the area is changing. Like that, here x may be time, x may be radius, x may be some other quantity, right? Here y is the quantity is radius. If I take v, the rate of change of volume with respect to time. If I take v here, the rate of change of volume with respect to r. Okay, like that. So here we will write area is centimeter square, volume is centimeter cube, cubic units, like it. Right? The first question is, exercise 6.1. What is the first question? Find the rate of change of area of circle with respect to its radius. With respect to its radius. Nothing but what is the rate of change of circle with respect to radius. Okay, so area is given pi r square. With respect to radius means dA by dr. With respect to radius, we can find that is equal to pi into 2r. That is, we need to find a 2 pi r. That's it. If it is objective question, we can write directly. So dA by dr is, in first subdivision, r value is 3 centimeters. Okay, what is r value? 3 centimeter means 3 into 2 pi, 6 pi is the answer. Second one is r is equal to 4 centimeters. That is 8 pi is the second answer. Okay, in the question, find the rate of change of area of circle. So here, first we can write the in solution. The solution, first write the format, the area of circle with radius. So if it is an objective question, we'll get the answer within 5 seconds. But whereas we need to write the steps. Okay, the area of circle with radius small r, area capital A of the circle with radius small r is A is equal to pi r square. Let us take this is equation 1. Now equation 1 differentiate with respect to r, because they are asking this the rate of change of area with respect to radius. So the area with respect to r is dA by dr is equal to pi into d by dr of r square. So this is equal to pi into use chain rule, r square will be 2r into again dr by dr. Okay, so finally we get here dr means 2 pi r. This is dA by dr. Now let us take this is equation 2, first subdivision. If r is equal to 3, substitute here r. So dA by dr is 3 centimeters given. dA by dr is 2 pi into 3, that is equal to 6 pi centimeter square. That's it. The rate of change of, okay, centimeter with respect to r means per centimeter, we can write per centimeter because radius in centimeter. Okay, then this is the answer. Okay, in the same way do the second one answer is here. What we will write finally, in the area of the circle changing at the rate 6 centimeters square by centimeter. The rate of change of area with respect to radius is 6 by centimeter square by centimeter. When the radius is r is equal to 6 centimeters. Like that we will write. What is the second answer? Second is r is equal to 4 centimeters. Substitute that. In the same way, do the second one. Second question. The volume of cube observe the second question. The volume of a cube is increasing. Nothing but volume is changing. Either it may be increased, it may be decreased, means the volume is changing. So the volume of a cube increasing at a rate of 8 centimeter cube by second. For each second, the volume is changing, increasing 8 centimeter cube. Okay. How fast is the surface area? Surface area increasing when the length of the edge nothing but side. Okay, it is the question is related to cube. For example, let us consider this is the cube. Right, one edge is given when edge is 12 centimeters. Right. Let us say the side can be denoted by x. Now first write the formula related to. The question is related to volume and surface area. Volume formula, just I am writing the given data here, we will write the solution here. So volume of cube is x cube because whose edge or side is x. And the surface area is This is clearly centimeter cube, and surface area is equal to 6x square. For example, room. Okay, total 6 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that 6x square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6x square. This will represent centimeter square. Okay, right. So here in this question, the volume is increasing. Nothing but the rate of change of volume with respect to time. Because 8 centimeters, clearly they given 8 centimeter cube by second. Second in the sense time. So dV by dt. Clearly they given 8 centimeter cube. I am writing just given data here, and how fast is the surface area is increasing. We need to find the rate of change of surface area. Okay, surface area simply you can take as S. So what is the ds by dt is equal to what? This is the question. They given the rate of change of volume is 8 centimeters per second, and clearly they given if the edge is x is equal to 12 centimeters. Edge given, the rate of change of volume is given. We need to find the rate of change of surface area. Very simple. If it is objective question, what is the answer? Objective question, observe here. If it is an objective question, they are asking this. So S will be there. What is ds by? For example, first dv by dt is given. Differentiate with respect to t. So first from this, dv by dt is equal to x cube is 3x square into dx by dt with respect to t. X cube is 3x square dx by dt. Okay. dv by dt already given 8. 8 is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. From this, what is dx by dt? Dx by dt value is 8 by 3x square. Let us take this is 1. Okay. And then we need to find df by dt. S is, we know the S value. Differentiate with respect to t. ds by dt is equal to, again, 6x square is 6 into x square is 2x and dx by dt. Yeah, we need to find this value. So for that 6 into 2, 12x dx by dt. Like 12x, what is dx by dt? Dx by dt already we got here, 8 by 3x square. So 1x get cancelled, 3 4s, so 4 8s, 32 by x. This is ds by dt. What is x here? X nothing but clearly they given x 12, 32 by 12. So ds by dt is equal to, then here this is a 4 table, 3, 8. 8 by 3, yeah, how to write this parameters here? ds by dt means S nothing but area, surface area, centimeter square. T is time with respect to second. Like that.
Sir, why can't we use this in NCERT, sir?
Sorry. One second.
Sir, you said that this method we can use for OBT, sir.
In OBIT again we don't want to write this many steps also. Because we are at starting, so that in OBIT we can simplify very fastly. Like I entered almost 7 to 8 steps. We can write the answer within 3 to 4 steps. In objective only we can write, do like this. In subjective we have to write the, again, every given data write very clearly. Now I am going to write NCERT, how to write in NCERT. Okay. So those who understood this, you can try to do remaining problems. Third question, fourth question, fifth question. All questions are as it is, right? So here, first we can what can you observe here? First we can find out the rate of change of edge. The rate of change of edge with respect to time. This rate of change of edge you can substitute in the rate of change of surface area. Okay, in solution how we will write? Yes. Here I am taking x. Let x be the length of the side of cube. Okay, the question is related to the volume of cube. So that is, and let V is volume and capital S is surface area of cube. Then write the formula. V is equal to x cube centimeter cube and S is equal to 6x square centimeter square, right? So from this, let us take one equation, second equation. Now differentiate one. Here what we can write after this, again we can write the given data. X is a length. X is a length with respect to the time t. So x is the length of the side with respect to t. When time is changing, the rate of change of length also will be changing. Already they given here. I mean, we found already the rate of change of side with respect to time is 8 by 3x square. Okay. Then after this, then clearly given that either otherwise write down the given data, given that dv by dt is equal to 8, given that 8 centimeter cube by second, given that dv by dt is equal to 8 centimeter cube by second. Now we can differentiate equation 1 with respect to time t, then dv by dt is equal to dv by dt of x cube. I will write directly as 3x square into dx by dt. I written directly. Then from this you can substitute dv by dt 8 like that. You can after this. After this, we can approach. So you should write each and every line like what is x, what is v. Okay. And its parameters also you should write like centimeter cube by second or centimeter by second or centimeter square by second. Everything you have to write. Finally, what is the answer? The rate of change of surface area with respect to time t is 8 by 3 centimeters. 8 by 3. For each second, 8 by 3 centimeter square will be changed. So when the volume is increasing, yes, clearly they said that volume of cube is increasing, so that surface area also increasing. Finally, the rate of change of surface area is increasing with respect to t is 8 by 3 centimeter square. Like that you can write. Let's all of you observe the question number 3. Those who finish this. Question number 3 is again easy. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeters per second. Okay, radius is changing, nothing but dr by dt is given 3. Okay, find the rate at which area of circle is increasing. So we need to find dA by dt. The rate of change of area is dA by dt. Here increasing given. Increasing nothing but area is changing. Nothing but dA by dt. When the radius is 10 centimeters. Right. Again, yes, the question is related to area of circle, that is pi r square, and further the given data, according to the given data, dr by dt is given 3 centimeters per second. Okay, like clearly the radius of circle increasing uniformly, increasing, nothing but radius is changing with respect to time uniformly 3 centimeters. For each second it will be changing 3 centimeters. Find the rate at which the area, find the rate at which area is increasing, means we need to find dA by dt. That's it. Okay, dA by dt means differentiate with respect to t. So pi r square is 2r, with respect to t, dr by dt. Pi, like pi into 2 pi r. What is the radius is given? A third question clearly given. When the radius is 10 centimeters. Yeah, just to dr. 10. dr by dt is clearly given 3. So the answer is 20, 65. What are the parameters here? 65 into area. Numerator is area, so centimeters square. By t, time is in seconds they given. This is the answer. Objective. Then how to write here? Solution is very clearly. Let r be the radius of the circle. Then the area of circle is A is equal to pi r square. Let us take that is equation 1. And given that the rate of change of radius increasing uniformly is like this. Yeah. Let's do for fourth question. Third question solution. You can write like this. Let r be the radius of circle okay, r is the radius of circle. R is the radius of circle. Let us take here. Capital A is area of circle at any time. At any time T, then A is equal to pi r square. Let us take 1, and given that the rate of change of area, the rate of change of radius increasing uniformly is dr by, with respect to time, dr by dt is equal to 3 centimeters per second. Then differentiate equation 1 with respect to t with respect to time. So dA by dt is equal to dA by dt of pi r square. This is equal to pi into dA by dt of r square. Then r square is 2r into dr by dt. In the bracket, you should write, you must write here in the bracket by chain rule. In every question, you should write by chain rule when you differentiate with respect to t here. See, with respect to t is r is here, you are doing two times derivative. One is r square is 2r. Again, the derivative of r with respect to t is dr by dt. You are doing twice whenever you are doing twice derivative, so you must mention by chain. Every question, right?
Sir, pi,
So now,
pi,
yes.
last step you didn't write 2 pi r.
Oh, sorry. Pi is 2 pi. Good. So here dr by dt is given, and in the bracket and here also write down, given that r is equal to 10 centimeters given, substitute all the values and get the answer.